The network of 4 capacitor is connected to a battery as shown in figure. Now the ratio of charges on capacitor C2 and C4 will be, ratio of charges on capacitor C2 and C4 will be, means we have to find out the value of charge stored on second capacitor, capacitor C2, to that of charge stored on capacitor C4. Now to find out the charge stored on capacitor C2 to that of charge stored on capacitor C4. So first look at this capacitor C1, C2 and C3. C1, C2 and C3, they are connected in series, and when capacitors are connected in series, their effective capacitance is 1 upon Cs equal to 1 upon C1 plus 1 upon C2 plus 1 upon C3. What is the value of C1? That is equal to 1 upon value of C1 is C plus value of C2 is 2C plus value of C3 is what? 3C. So 1 upon C plus 1 upon 2C plus 1 upon 3C, that is equal to, here what is LCM? 6C is LCM, 6C is LCM, so it is 6 plus 3 plus what? 6 plus 3 plus 2. So that comes to be 6 plus 3 plus, so 6 plus 3, 9 plus 2, 11. 11 divided by 6C, it is 1 upon CS, therefore 1 upon CS is 11 upon 6C, therefore CS is equal to 6C divided by 11. 6C divided by 11. Now remember that as CS is equal to 6 by 11C, and because 3 capacitors C1, C2, C3, they are all connected in what? They are all connected in series. So the charge stored in a series combination QS is equal to CS into that series combination is connected across a battery. So what is the effective potential difference across series combination? Effective potential difference across series combination is V. So charge stored in a series combination is CS into V, that is equal to 6 by 11 C into V, 6 by 11 C into V. It means, remember here, because capacitor C1, C2, C3, they are connected in series, it means charge stored in each of these capacitor is same. Means what we can say? Charge stored in capacitor C1 is equal to C2 is equal to C3 is equal to, actually charge stored in series combination, that is 6 by 11 CV. So this is our equation number 1. Now let us find out charge stored in a capacitor C4. What is the charge stored? Charge on capacitor C4. Charge on C4 is Q4 is equal to, now value of C4 as it is, and what is the potential difference across capacitor C4? See here, capacitor C4 is connected across a battery of potential difference V. Means what is the potential difference across charge capacitor C4? It is V. So charge on capacitor C4 is equal to C4 into potential difference across it is V, that is equation number 2. So it is C4 into V. Actually what is the value of C4? C4, value of C4 is 4C. So that charge stored Q4, it is equal to 4C into V, 4C into V. So this is our equation number 2. Now look at equation number 1. From equation 1, we are having charge stored on capacitor C2, and from equation 2, charge stored on capacitor C4. So Q2 divided by Q4 is equal to, what is the value of Q2? It is 6 divided by 11 CV upon, now what is the value of Q4? It is 4 CV. So this CV get cancelled, and it is 6 divided by 44, 2 3s and 2 2s, 2 2s, means it is 3 divided by 22. 3 divided by 22. So out of 4 option, look at option D. It is 3 divided by 22. So D is the correct option for this question.